Good afternoon, everyone. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I am a house cleaner. And one of the frequent problems I see with clients that I clean their homes, as well as my own apartment, is the mildew smell in your laundry room. And I just so happen to live on the first floor apartment, which means that the second floor and third floor drain from the furnace, drains into a hole in the floor in my laundry room. And it does cause a nasty, moldy smell, as well as I get a smell in my washing machine, where a little bit of the water remains in the washing machine. Now, how I prevent that is I put vinegar, just half a cup, in my washing machine when I'm doing my whites. And it will neutralize all the detergents that get built up and everything else. I have noticed a lot of my clients have a buildup inside of their washing machine. Well, this will remove the buildup inside of your washing machine, will prevent it from smelling moldy, and it will also help with the evaporation of water in your laundry room. Now, I also go one step further, and as you can see, I have a small dehumidifier in my laundry room, which prevents, once again, all the humidity and everything else from building up, and the smell from the drain that drains in there. It works fabulous. If I use this all the time, it actually has no smell whatsoever. My furnace is also on the other side of the door over here that you can't see when the door is open. But it also helps to draw out the humidity from the air in the summer, and it causes my air conditioner to not have to work as hard. So I have found that I've actually turned it off for about a month, and I have found that my gas and electric bill went up about $30 a month, and I don't live in that big of an apartment. It's maybe 750, 800 square foot. So it does make a big difference in your electric bill as well. And I found that in the winter, even with running the dehumidifier, it does not make it dry in here, because I have enough air circulation in my apartment that it never gets very dry. Matter of fact, even in the winter, if you'll check the weather forecast and everything, if we have a wet, cold winter, the humidity levels still stay high. So I have found no issues with the air in my apartment being dry, even in the winter, running this. It makes my furnace run much more efficiently. I usually have to dump it maybe once every 2 or 3 days. It's really no big deal. It's not big, bulky, heavy. It's on wheels. If you would like to know what type of humidifier I use, let me know and I'll drop it in the links. But it will really make your life a lot easier. Your washing machine work more efficiently, your furnace run more efficiently. It will get rid of those nasty moldy smells, and also the vinegar will take all the buildup out of your clothing from all the detergents and softeners and everything we use, and it will make them much more colorful. It will make the whites whiter, it will make the darks darker, it will take away that white buildup from your detergents. And while I'm here, I'll give you another little bonus tip. While you're drying your clothes, especially your white clothes, always keep a white towel handy that is dry. Throw it in with your other clothing, and it will help your clothes to dry much faster, which will save you even more money. I actually have 2 of them here that I throw in the dryer with my clothing. And 9 times out of 10, I do not dry my clothes all the way. I put them in the dryer for about 10-15 minutes, let them fluff up, and then I hang them up. I just like to save pennies everywhere I can. And I found out that it's through a neighbor, well, actually several, that my gas and electric bill is about $60 less than theirs is a month. So that to me is worth the little bit of extra time hanging my clothes up. Plus it makes them last longer. It helps them keep the color and everything else. But that is my tip of the day. Take it from a house cleaner. Have a wonderful, blessed day.